Are you struggling to run a successful faceless YouTube channel? You literally spend hours in making your videos, but still, they end up getting no views, and you are constantly cursing YouTube algorithm for this while you pick your niche while you were sitting in your toilet and planning to take revenge on your ex and become a billionaire in the next 7 days? Well, forget about that, because that's not how things work.
Okay, genius, then why don't you tell us an evergreen niche that can get views?
Well, that's what I am here for, to tell you an evergreen niche with suspense, drama, and thrill that is evergreen and will get you tons of views. Well, the niche I am talking about is named Reddit Story Niche. Now, you would be thinking, what's the proof that this niche is gonna work? Well, you can see here, when I asked GPT about the potential of this niche, GPT provided me this information. You can pause the video here and read it out. A friend of mine is also in Reddit Story Niche on TikTok, and these are his analytics from past 2 months. He got more than 2 million views. So if he can do it, then you can also do it. The reason that Reddit Story Niche has huge potential and high chances of going viral is because on Reddit people share their daily life stories, confess their funny mistakes, and even Reddit is always up to date with latest news and information. And besides all this on side, you can see there are lots of different categories. And according to your niche, you can easily come here and find some good stories and funny comments related to your niche. So today in this video, I will teach you how you can create professional Reddit story videos, even if you have no experience in script writing, voiceover, and video editing, because today we will be creating viral Reddit story videos in just one click using AI. First, take a look at what Reddit story videos actually look like.
I catfished an older girl. No, she will marry my brother. Because there were some misunderstandings and a short text isn't enough to understand.
So guys, here is a breakdown of what we will be doing today. First, we need to find interesting Reddit stories on Reddit website. Then we will download copyright-free gameplay, background videos from YouTube. After that, we will use AI, turn our Reddit post into a viral video. And in final, we will upload our video on YouTube with correct settings for best results. So the AI tool we are going to use today is named AIcut, my personal favorite, and one of the best AI platform with over more than 11,000 creators using it on daily basis. So to get started, simply click on Create and sign up with your Gmail. And after you land on this interface, there are many niches, but we will go with our niche Reddit story. Now guys, on this interface, you can input all of your content. First, you can change your name, like I will type Proventube, and on right side, you can see the changes that you are doing. After that, you can enter your subname. It's like a username. And after that, you can write your video title. Like for example, we will write who is going to be the new president of USA. After that, you can write down your main description here. That is your actual story. And below, you can write down some funny, important, or suspicious comments of that particular post. But doing all this by ourselves can be time-taking and difficult for beginners. So we will create our videos in one click. So first go to Reddit website and search for R Talk Stories and enter a community. And after that, click on this icon and go with either hot or new stories, because that will be fresh content and will increase our chances of going viral. So after that, carefully read the stories that people shared, and once you find a good story, simply click on the share icon under that post and copy up the link to that post and head back to AIcut and paste the link here, and then simply click on Get Reddit Post, and AIcut will fetch that complete post for you in 1 second. After that, you can change the username and name of the post if you want to, but I would suggest to keep it as it is, because in this way, we will be giving sort of proper credits to the writer of that story. And after that, you can take a look at your actual story, which is named Description, and if needed, do the changes that you want to do. And coming to comments, I would suggest you to keep 1 or 2 super interesting comments, or just keep the comment area empty, because our main goal is to focus on interesting stories and not comment. After all this is done, simply go to background menu, and there are some pre-made templates that you can go with in your first video, but you will definitely need your own unique background video to go viral. So for that, open YouTube and search for No Copyright Gameplay and open up the first channel. This channel has hundreds of top-level premium gameplay videos that are copyright free, and you can use them on your channel and monetize your content. And only thing you need to do is leave the link to this channel in your video description. Once you download gameplay video, click on Upload and Video, and then choose a file and import your gameplay video, and it will will take a few seconds to minutes to import the gameplay and select it. Now coming to next part, which is caption. You can simply select a caption template of your choice, and then from voiceover section, you can select 11 labs and then simply pick a good voiceover character of your choice. There are plenty of them. And this time, we will go with female voice, because for Reddit story videos, female voice is more engaging and attractive. And there is also an option to adjust the speed of your voiceover character in case your story is longer than a minute. You can simply select fast speed, but we won't need this because from 15th October, we will be able to upload shorts up to 3 minutes long. Let me know in the comments if you knew already. Knew this YouTube update or not. And yes, you are thinking right. Longer shorts, meaning our RPM will also increase. And then finally, from music section, you can pick a copyright, free music for your video. This Paris Else music is very awesome for this niche. And then simply click on Create Reddit Story, and your video creation will start automatically. And your video will be ready in maximum 3 to 5 minutes. But one thing that I must tell you, that creating Reddit videos manually is very, very difficult, especially creating Reddit post templates. So AIcut is your best chance, and the amount of views you can get in this niche are totally unbelievable. Just try this niche for just 90 days and see by yourself. And our video is also ready. Simply download it and let's take a look at it.
There was a 3-man piano band sleeping under my trailer. For about 3 nights straight, I kept waking up to the sound of a piano. Now, that might sound peaceful, but when you live in a trailer with no piano and not a single person who can play one, it's just...
Now that was totally fire. And with those super amazing Reddit stories going viral in this niche is just a piece of cake. Now finally, let's upload our video. And for video title, we will write down the same title of that post as our video title. And for description, you don't need description for shorts, and for hashtags, we will use just 3 hashtags. One is hashtag shorts. Second will be about our niche, which is hashtag Reddit story. And third hashtag will be hashtag story. You can go on with these 3 hashtags on your every video, because they will be enough, and our category will be entertainment. But in your case, it can be different if you are making celebrity news story videos. Your category will be education. And for uploading time, better to upload your videos during evening, when most of the people are online on YouTube and looking for some funny or educational content, and just publish your video. And that was it. For today, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting video in future.